Tennessee Sasquatchian jumped out in front of him. He had no choice but to lay her down in the creek.
What are you doing, Carl?
I'm gonna throw this whole fucking pan on top of the fire for now.
Why?
That's gonna be
Why don't
delicious.
you throw it on top of the grill instead of the fire? I bet
It's
it'd come out
fucking
better.
gross, nasty.
So you just throw it right on top of the charcoal then.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking
No, you're
too.
gonna put your pan on there.
I was gonna put my pan across the wood.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you see that. What do you season it with?
Well, that is a little bit of Markham steak seasoning from the
General?
local store. Yep.
Oh.
No, from that Save
Market,
More,
yeah.
right? Save More, something like that. It actually looks pretty good. So do that.
Any other prep that you did that you need to
No, no salt, no pepper, because it was already in the seasoning mix. So just a little poking, give it a little tenderizing, jam some of that stuff down in there. And that's it. We'll flip this bad boy over. Oh, go.
What do you think? 5 minutes each side?
It should be 5. Well, 5 to 7, just depends on how hot the coals are on this side of it. Hey Siri, set a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes starting now.
It's a little hot. It's probably not gonna go that long. I'll probably end up having to pull
I
it
think
out.
that's a pretty good barrier. You're not got flames
Yeah,
flapping through,
exactly.
so. Is this the first time you've used a cookie sheet grill?
It is.
I've
Yeah,
never
it's-
seen.
Tell him, Gary.
You just get 3-4 whiskeys in him and it's like, okay. He's back.
It's Gary.
Ta-da! Da-da-da!
That's the finished product.
Look at those small russet potatoes.
But dig in and
Woo!
give us a comment.
That was really good.
Delicious.
You did a good job. Hey, you already ate
Steak.
one?
Eat the steak.
No.
Oh.
Eat the steak.
No, just
To check you out. Gotta get the spotlight in there.
let's reach my pan up. Ooh.
Was it medium rare?
Oh yeah.
I didn't see that. I didn't see.
Totally worth it.
How good was it?
It's so good. Totally worth it.
Chef Carl, your rating is
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
There's those steak and potatoes up there, whoever wants some.
That's a hell of a fire, boys. Hell of a fire. It took a 6-man team to get it going, but
Took every one of us, everything we had in us to get this going.
I think we need to watch more bushcraft.
Possibly. Can never know too much bushcraft.
That's a good looking fire now, though.
it's like a professional fire.
It is a professional.
It's like a fire that you want to have some firemen come put out.
After it burns
Good of a
down,
fire.
after it burns down about 100 acres, it just got out of hand. I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
First this, then the mattress caught on fire. I don't know.
Carl was squirting shit everywhere.
Yeah. I mean, it had nothing to do with the fire, but he was squirting shit everywhere.
I know you want to do other things, but I want you to show me the mattress.
Oh, the mattress.
What
What do you think, Dom?
See, there's the valve I was telling you that's brass.
Oh yeah, no. I don't know. It's probably not leaking from that.
Yeah. But the mattress, you know, it goes in here.
Here is a Haven XL for you to demo. Now figure it out. Let me know when you give up, and I'll see if I can help you.
I ain't even got no signal to Google it.
You can't Google it. We're in the middle of nowhere.
The mattress. Oh,
Be all right.
let's see here. It's the first time I ever seen one of these in real life.
We don't seem to be having any problems so far. Are you a rocket surgeon?
No.
A brain scientist?
Yeah, scientist.
He's watched a video there, because I never would have thought of that. I never would have thought of that.
I did see a video
Yeah.
on.
That's exactly. I got one too, so.
Okay, so we doubled it once and back up through it. Let me see, that's like a normal tiny shoe, okay. That way we just know we're there every time.
Yeah. Boom. Now that shouldn't go anywhere, right? If anything, yeah. Slowly. Slowly, that's a lot of water. Slowly. There you go. A little bit more. All right, you should be good for another hour now. Wow. It's very thin. Very, very thin. Jesus. Yeah, that may be the worst I've ever done. So outstanding biker. Yeah, I pushed in on where those threads are showing. Not much rubber left. I pushed in on the other side. Maybe double, but not much rubber left. So, yeah, the left side of the tire feels like a big, thick inner tube, really. Well, Gary and I made it to Chattanooga. All the way to Chattanooga in the cycle gear, and the tire exploded all over the cycle gear parking lot. So, gonna get that mess cleaned up real soon, and then we're gonna go right over there and eat some Mexican food, because we're both starving.
I don't know what he's talking about. I just told him I had 2 great weekends. So.
Negra moderno.